Hey everyone, you've probably heard the saying, an apple a day keeps the doctor away. Apples are not only delicious but also one of the most beloved fruits around the world. In fact, some even say if there could be only one fruit on earth, it would be the apple. But did you know that despite all its amazing benefits, eating an apple the wrong way can actually be harmful? That's right. Today, we are going to explore the incredible health benefits of apples and, more importantly, how to enjoy them safely. Let's dive in. First off, let's talk about what makes apples so special. Apples are packed with nutrition and offer several health benefits. The pectin in apple skins is a soluble fiber that helps improve bowel movements. It acts as a probiotic, nourishing the good bacteria in your gut. One study even found that eating 2 apples a day for 2 weeks improved constipation and reduced stool odor thanks to a significant decrease in ammonia and sulfur compounds. If you're trying to shed a few pounds, apples might be your new best friend. Their high fiber content increases satiety, making you feel fuller for longer, which can help you eat less throughout the day. But be cautious, eating too much apples could lead to issues with blood sugar management. The recommended daily intake is about half to 1 apple. So, if you are cutting down on other carbs like rice, you can afford to add an extra apple half to your diet. Did you know that apples can also protect your lungs? Studies have shown that people who eat more apples tend to have better lung function and a lower risk of respiratory diseases like asthma. Even if you're a smoker, apples might help restore some of the lung function that smoking damages. Plus, the aroma of apples has been found to reduce the desire to smoke. Apples are also a heart's best friend. Research in the US has shown that the soluble fiber in apples can prevent cholesterol from building up on artery walls, reducing the risk of heart disease. The potassium in apples help regulate blood pressure by promoting sodium excretion, which also lowers the risk of stroke. How to eat apples safely? Number 1. Avoid browned apples. Have you ever noticed that an apple turns brown after you cut it? This browning is caused by oxidation, which occurs when the apple's skin is damaged. If you eat these browned apples, your body can produce free radicals, which are harmful molecules that accelerate aging and even lead to diseases like cancer. So, it's best to avoid eating apples that have turned brown. Number 2. Remove the seeds. Apple seeds contain amygdalin, a compound that can release cyanide, a potent toxin, when ingested in large amounts, while you'd need to eat the seeds of about 10 apples to be lethal. It's still safer to remove the seeds. Number 3. Watch out for waxed apples. Many apples are coated with a waxy substance to make them look shiny and appealing. However, this wax can cause digestive issues and block the absorption of fat-soluble vitamins like A, D, and E. Even after washing, only about 40 to 50% of this wax is removed. Number 4. Time your apple right. You might have heard the saying, an apple in the morning is gold, an apple at night is poison. While this isn't entirely true, there's some logic behind it. Eating apples at night can sometimes cause gas or discomfort due to their high fiber content, especially if you have a sensitive stomach. On the other hand, eating an apple in the morning can boost your digestion and keep you feeling full throughout the day. But remember, it's all about what works best for your body. If your digestion is strong, you can enjoy apples anytime. Just make sure to eat them at least 2 to 3 hours before bed. Number 5. Protecting your teeth. Now, here's something you might not know. Apples can be tough on your teeth. being healthy, the high sugar content and acidity of apples can damage your enamel, especially if you eat them slowly and let them linger in your mouth. To protect your teeth, it's best to brush them before eating an apple. This creates a protective barrier for your enamel. After eating, rinse your mouth with water and wait about 3 minutes before brushing again. This gives your saliva time to neutralize the acid. So there you have it. Apples are an incredible fruit with numerous health benefits. But like anything, they are best enjoyed with a little knowledge and care. Next time you reach for an apple, remember these tips to make the most out of this delicious and nutritious fruit. If this video has helped you even a little, please give us a thumbs up and share it with your loved ones. Your likes and subscription greatly support our video production. Thank you for watching.